Hey everyone, I don't know if it can hear me, I hope it can, but in today's video, we're going to be checking out the brand new update. Somebody gave me these lasers. We're going to be checking out the brand new mining, digging update. I think it's called digging. Apparently, this update is really cool. So, I know there's a whole bunch of new items. Someone gave me these new lasers. So yeah, my friend is going to be joining us today. Shout out to him. If y'all want to, y'all can go friend him. His name is Sharky GT on VR. Go friend him. He's really cool.
Yeah, I accept all friend requests. If I don't, that is because my mom probably said no or something. Sorry.
Okay. So I know there's a whole bunch of new items in this. There's a new monkey backpack that I've already gotten because it's sick. Yo, where did you go? Yeah, so there's a brand new monkey outfit, which is really sick. I might get this because I really like this monkey outfit. There's a new grandma set. Supposed to be
You like it, Easton? It's so tough, bro.
Yo.
It's so tough. I look so tough, don't
Hey, yo, take off that hat. Take off that hat, boy. I told you to take off the hat. Take it off.
I got you. Okay, I'm sorry.
And
I'm sorry.
also, I used to have a YouTube channel called I Love Jesus VR 2, and it got banned. And I'm really upset about that, but I started over. I decided to not quit. I don't give up. But I had like 200 subs on that, and now I have to start over. But that's fine. Yo?
Yo.
Alright. So, we're gonna go check out the brand new stuff. I'm gonna get a revolver and some ammo for luck. Just in case, not for luck.
Oh yeah.
I'm not even sure how much stuff this monkey backpack can hold. Ah! My revolver.
Can hold me. You think it can hold me?
Probably a lot. But somebody gave me 4 of these, and I gave 2 to him. Really cool, and they said they're gonna come. The person that gave me this said that they're gonna come in handy in the new update. So I don't know what I'm gonna expect, cause we just joined. There's already like there's already like a ton of videos that's done this from 3 days ago. No, they all came out like yesterday. But I'm late. You wanna why? I don't know.
I'ma touch you.
But I was thinking of doing this yesterday, but my internet cut out, and I was really upset about that. So as I was recording, my internet cut out before.
Oh yeah.
Like my internet cut out while I was still talking over there. So.
Please don't hurt me.
Yo guys, I'm gonna prank him. He's never gonna see this coming. He's never.
Hey, what's up? Well, oh, I guess you're dead. Ew, no.
Alright, come on. I'm so fast. I'm faster than you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you.
I so tough looking. bro.
No, you're.
Shut up!
Yo, put that away. We don't need it.
I know. I'm gonna put it in my bag. There we go.
It is bad.
I can't see.
Hurry up, bro.
Shut up, boy.
Boy, I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna come pick up your butt. Yo, what? Come on.
Hold on. I want to get the monkey backpack. Give me monkey backpack.
Okay, fine. But when I got on, I checked out this update, and the monkey backpack was my first one. It's really cool. I really like it.
Shut up, monkey.
Yo, don't abuse your monkey.
Hey, please. Back up.
Okay. So it should be in here. You ready? Oh my God. Yo. So I think we just dig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So someone did say that there's a monster in here. I don't know. That scared me. I wonder, what do these carrots do?
What?
Yo, I can see. Wait, is anything different about me?
Yeah, your eyes are like bugging.
Are they like flashlights? Wait, there's another carrot. I'll bring it down. Yo, these are cool.
Yo!
You gotta store them.
Yo!
We gotta store them. So I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, it's this way. I'm seeing stuff. So I'm thinking we go that way. Somewhere around here.
Oh, no, thank you.
Wait, I'm hearing stuff. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What was that?
What?
I just saw something.
Yo, there's literally nothing, bro. Come on.
Bro, there's something back there.
Oh, we dig down. We dig down. We dig down. Now I'm hearing stuff, bro.
Yo, you hear that music?
Yeah. I hear it over here. Oh! Yo! What the? Wait, did I just see carrots? No. Okay.
I'm gonna drop down.
Yo, what is this?
Yo, what is this?
Yo, bro.
What?
Come here.
Yeah!
What is this? Let's just go. Oh my God. Yo, this looks like a fighting arena, bro.
Well, it is.
Oh, ammo. I'm thinking we mine that, but don't mine it yet. Don't mine it yet. Yo! What is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I don't know, but I think you run from it. It's
Yo!
You're good people. You surrendered.
Yo! Run! Yo! Here's a bubble! We're gonna mine the bubble!
Please don't go.
Yo, he's so low! Yo, this is so easy! Yo, did we already beat him? Yo, that was so easy, bro!
Yo. What is he eating, man?
Okay, now? Okay,
Yo,
we can dig down now. Let's dig down. Come on.
More racist?
Come on. You dig down. Start digging. Yo! Oh, carrots. No, we need more space, bro. Carrots. Alright, let's keep on digging down, I guess. Carrots.
Let me get them.
Here. Yo, I'm hearing like tree ambience. It just got so much brighter, bro. Oh, and more carrots. Yo, are we inside of a tree? Like, what the heck?
Yo, I think we dig down.
I don't think we do. Oh wait, we do. Never mind.
Help! I'm stuck.
No!
Do we dig down?
Yeah. Oh wait, we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom. I'm trying to get some of these freaking carrots, bro.
Oh! You know where we go?
Yeah, I can keep on finding. Try and find the exit. That's all I know. You did?
Yeah. It's right here.
Oh, okay, but let me get this carrot. Oh, no more. I think my monkey is full. Okay, I remember this from the update. I remember this from the update logs in the Discord. So there's supposed to be a little house. I think it's
Like-
this way. Over here. I'm pretty sure it's this way. Yeah. So, I think we need to pull these levers.
Ooh, uranium.
Wait, I think we need to pull these levers.
I didn't. Is it on the? Oh, it is on this side. It is on this side.
I pulled one lever. Pull it. Yo, what the heck? I hear mimics. Yo!
Oh, shoot.
Wait, it's frozen. What the heck?
Oh my gosh, look at it there. Oh my god. Oh, what's that? Yo, it's dropping bananas. Yo, can you eat the bananas in this update? Oh.
In the update log, it said they dropped golden bananas, like big golden bananas. I have no clue what we're supposed to be doing. Oh wait, here, look. Banana.
Help! Help! Help!
Oh my god.
Yo, go back to there.
Oh, banana. Oh, another one. So we gotta get these golden bananas. This one's low. This is what they said in the update log. Yo!
Yeah.
Get that. It was open! Alright. Pull the lever. I don't know what it does. What did that do? Oh, it closes it. Okay, what do we do now? Oh!
I don't know, man.
I fell. I think I was supposed to. Wait. Alright, now I can see. Wait, what is this stuff? I have a feeling that there's carrots in this direction. Yeah, there's so many carrots. Wait, why is there so many carrots? Wait, is there more carrots over here?
Yo, it's gonna be a carrot farm.
Yo, there's literally a carrot. No, wait, eat some of the carrots. So you can see. Can I get... Wait, collect some of these carrots, look. Yo, there's so many. Wait, collect some of these. There's a whole bunch over here. There's 4 of them. Yo, collect this. There's a couple of them. Over here. Yo guys, give me the 50 subs so I can live stream. I need to eat this. Alright, here's another one. You might be full. I think you're full. Okay. So where do we go?
No.
Oh, I found a hole. I found a hole.
I'm not full.
Whoa! Yo, I jumped down the hole. I fell down the hole. Yo! Yo! What is this? Yo! Core. Oh, we gotta see the core of Animal Company.
Core?
Yo, we gotta see that Animal Company core.
Yo.
Be for real right now.
Yo, what the heck?
Wait, there's lasers.
I'm gonna go down there.
Wait. Yo, I'm gonna stay up top and see if I can get anything done. There's a whole bunch of lasers, and I'm wondering if this has to do with lasers. Like, do you have to move them? Yeah, wait, there's mirrors, so I think you... Yeah, there's mirrors, so I think you have to move... There's mirrors, so I think you have to move them, and I'm moving the lasers. Yeah, I'm moving the lasers.
Connect.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm making them connect with these, like, white spots, and they glow red. Guys, this update is crazy. For y'all that doesn't have Animal Company on your VR, sorry, but this update is really cool. Y'all should download it if you do have a VR and you have Animal Company. This Animal Company in general is a really fun game. Like and subscribe to me. I understand if you can't. At least just watch my videos. It'll still support me.
At least get his views up. At least get his views up if you can't subscribe.
Yeah. Okay, I got a huge laser.
Yo, this laser is massive.
Alright, I'm going up here. Oh, another laser, and I found another laser. Yeah, I understand if y'all can't like and sub. Just at least at least watch the videos. It still supports me. But if you can like and subscribe, please do. I understand if you don't want to. Maybe you just don't like my channel. Maybe you just don't want to like and subscribe. I don't care. Or I do care. Like, I do want y'all to like and subscribe. But if y'all don't,
we'll still play with the haters. Just sometimes
if y'all just don't like my channel in general,
cussing, we don't do that.
Well, sometimes I do cuss, but I try to keep my cussing at a very, very low.
Because we're trying to keep it on a family-friendly level.
Yeah. And if I do accidentally cuss, I'll just like blur it out. Yeah, if y'all don't have Animal Company on your VR, bro, what are you doing with your life, bro? Get Animal Company. This game is insane.
Oh yeah, Victor.
What is going on? What the frick? Woo!
Yo, I think we destroyed the car. Oh no.
Moon base?
Yo, what the heck? There's like a door.
It's the moon. It's a moon. This is the moon base. Wait, so what's in here? What the freak? Is that a huge fan? Yo, wait. There's a tape behind here. I'm gonna get it.
Yo, it's a moon map. It's a moon map.
It's a moon map? Oh my god. Yo.
Hey, look at this, bro.
Yo, wait. Moon. Here, I'm gonna take this moon rock. Or rock. I think it's moon rock because it's on the moon. It's a rock. I'm gonna take this and go back. Okay, well, that is the end of today's video. And also, I want to show you the new hat that you get after you beat the boss. I took it off. Like, I cut the video and took it off. I don't know why. But it's called the Shadow Rings. And they're pretty cool. And you also get these new lasers when you beat the Time Stone boss. I think that's his name. Moon. I think the Shadow boss or something. So yeah.